Technic Power says hello to a new video. In today's video we want to show you how you can log out your Netflix account on your LG Smart TV. We have an LG Smart TV here and we want to log out our Netflix account on it. This can have different reasons. For example, we want to sell the TV or it doesn't work anymore as it should. That's why it is always recommended to log out your Netflix account here. There is a special key combination for this. It is up, up, down, down, left, right, left, right and 4 times the arrow key up. Then you come to a hidden menu where you can log out your TV. Now let's try it. Up, up, down, down, left, right, up, 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 up. And this hidden menu appears here and now you can log out your TV. Let's see here too. Log out your Netflix account on this device. If you have done this, then you have disconnected the connection to your TV here. Do you have any questions? Then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel, then you are always up to date. Technic Power says thank you for watching and goodbye.